up, everybody? How y'all doing? Welcome back. So last vlog was earlier today. Now I just got word that there is a ride out here at Twin Peaks. Everybody's meeting up. They're meeting up at 9 o'clock, so that's in 8 minutes. But we're gonna cruise out here and see what this big group stuff is all about. I don't know if we're in the right spot. What's up, Joel? I'm just now realizing that me and old Joel here, we're the only two on Groms, so that'll be interesting. A couple guys on Supermotos. We'll be in the back. I'm not sure what this ride is called. All I do know is these guys are going to be hauling ass. Man, all these guys are riding wheelies, but they're doing it at like 10 mile an hour faster than I can do wheelies. I smell 2 strokes, bro. Oh yeah. Dude, it's a stretched Supermoto. Check that out. Dude, that thing is sweet.
That's the guy. Did I tell you about him?
No.
I saw him on the highway.
Dude, that thing's awesome. Dude, all these guys up here just getting after it. Of course, we're like in the back of the front group, so. And we're like the front of the back group. Man, all these guys are riding wheelies. That boy get it. Freaking Joel's back there still swinging it. Dudes are up here freaking scraping. Look at the scrapes. Oh man, I feel like such a poser out here, y'all. Knobby tires and everything. Dude, the thing is so fucking dope. Gotta play catch up, can't be slowing behind. Dude, he's getting so freaking high up there. That up, boy. Oh shit, bro. These motherfuckers are setting off fucking fireworks. Dude, this motherfucker's setting off fireworks, dude. Yes! That shit's so badass! What the fuck? Dude, this is a semi-truck. Dude, this is like Fast and the Furious stuff. Don't get me caught on the bad end of this shit. Dude, this boy rubbing his hand on the damn truck. What the fuck? Y'all got a death wish. What happened to Joel? Did Joel break off? I think he broke off. Oh shit! You okay? I thought you might have left. Fuck! Shit, dude, I thought he left. God damn, there's a fucking semi-truck right on my ass. Dude, my visor, filthy. Absolutely filthy. That a boy. That a boy. Dude, that thing freaking backfires like crazy. Pop, pop. You what?
I fractured something in my leg. Either fractured or bruised really bad.
Dude, I don't even know where the hell I'm at. Whew. Oh shit, I don't want to be anywhere near that exhaust when that guy fucking dumps the clutch on it, that's for sure. Oh shit, we're downtown, baby. That was freaking sweet. That thing's freaking sweet too. That thing's so badass, dude. I love it. Bap, 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 bap. Oh shit. Golly, brother! Get up there, Joe. You got it. Over the railroad tracks. That up, boy. Keep it going. Oh, man. Oh my gosh, it's like a herd of stampede. Nothing to see here, officer. Nothing to see here. You know that guy's just staring at me. It's almost like they're escorting us. I don't even want to pull a wheelie because it's like if they see me do it and they see my plate, then who knows what'll happen. Look at this guy. He said he wants to see us do a wheelie. Did he just say he wanted to see us do a wheelie? Get it. Busted up, you already done fell once. Look at these hooligans! Look at these hooligans! Dude, he's literally hanging off the back of the bike. That's insane. It's just a balance act that he does. That's crazy. Dude, that was freaking cool. I didn't even hear that guy on that freaking dirt bike come up beside me. This dude is freaking nuts on this thing. Yeah, baby. Making it look easy out here. Dude, Joel just pulled this thing up at freaking 30 some odd mile an hour, 30 mile an hour, 25. Getting after it. I get my little wheelies off at the lights. Everybody's going so fast. The good thing about being on a Grom is they can't say I was speeding. My Grom can barely do the speed limit. I'm trying to keep up, man.
This is my first one.
Oh, really? I never did any of this stuff, man. I rode dirt bikes forever.
Dude, bro.
It's
Wait,
lit.
is that an old scam that it's got?
It could, man. It could be.
Dude,
It's lit.
what happened, bro?
So Murphy's Law. This chick I'm talking to was like, "Don't wreck tonight," and I was like, "Yeah, don't put that bad juju on me." Thought it was a joke, and jokes become reality. My ass hurts.
Hey, but you're still riding the bike, still's good? Okay, good.
Alright, so now we're heading back towards the I don't know where we're heading. Oh shit! Golly, bro! That's so freaking sweet. freaking badass on that bike. Yeah, get it. This guy's got a fucking... He's got a beer bottle in the fucking back. This guy's got a beer bottle. He's got a beer bottle in the back. Oh my gosh, dude, that is so freaking genius. That is great. That is freaking great. You guys are killing it. Alright guys, well, everybody's gone home. It's just me now. I'm taking my butt back to the house. I had a freaking wild time tonight. I'm glad I came. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you share this stuff with your friends. Leave a thumbs up if you can for me. Thanks a bunch, guys. We'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.